Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So I want to make an observation. I've gotten some questions or concerns recently pertaining to strides and speed development and things like that, and how it pertains to training. If you take a look at my training programs, and I've got tons of them from a half mile up to the marathon on this channel, so don't leave without subscribing. I have 300 training videos, and there's more coming. But you'll see how everything is laid out. And again, my programs are easily modifiable, so you can add to them, you can change things around, and I've got workouts that pertain to these training programs, or videos on workouts galore, so you can modify stuff. But today's topic is strides and basic speed development, and because I've had some people worried about things laid out in training programs, and I'm just going to make this clear: strides and basic speed development as it pertains to training. And here's an example: 5x300 after an easy run for marathon training, at half marathon and 10K pace, or some 100s or 150s after a run, no matter what you're training for. Strides are not workouts and do not need to be treated as such. Okay? They will not affect your recovery for the next workout. Here's an example. Let's say you have a Tuesday workout of whatever it is, threshold thousands, and then you race on Saturday. You can actually do strides on Thursday or even Wednesday or whatever. You can even do some pre-race accelerations on Friday. But some 200s and whatnot, it's not going to affect your recovery for the next workout or next race. Okay? But I'll make this clear too. These are things that you gradually build into the training over time. So if you're not used to that, you slowly add. You add acceleratory stuff to the beginning parts of training, your base training. So you start with your base training miles, and then you add strides. You add some uphill runs with strides, and you can transition into strides and threshold, strides and tempo. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. So I've got base training programs as well here for high school and college every single year on this channel. So take a look at that, and you'll see how I plug in strides and kind of gradually build over time into the season. And again, these programs and everything I have is fully detailed by the week, by the day, by the month, so you have a full understanding of how I lay out the training, why I'm laying out the training, and the logic behind, or the method behind the madness. So, and at that point, if you still have questions, reach out to me, Top of the Line Running on Instagram, or my email, blackbeltrunningcoach@gmail.com. I'm happy to answer questions. So, but today's emphasis is strides and speed development. They are not a workout. Okay, and I'm not talking, as doing a workout like 20 times a minute hard, minute easy for marathon training. That's not strides and speed development. That's a speed fartlek. That's a little bit of a different story. But basic stuff to help develop leg power, to help develop leg speed, to help you become a more efficient runner, right? Focus on the running economy so that you're conserving energy when you need it the most, particularly in longer races. That's what I'm talking about. Basic strides, 5 times 100 after a run, 5 times 100 or whatever, 5 times 150 after a run. Those are basic strides. You build into them over time, and they will not compromise your next workout. So wanted to make that point today. Again, if you find this stuff helpful, please hit the thumbs up, and don't leave without subscribing to the channel. I'm really, really trying to spread this to a broader running community around, and I want to share as much as I've learned over the last 2+ decades as a former competitive runner and a coach with all of you. So it's designed to help you make better decisions as a runner and a coach. So have a good day, guys. Talk to you next time.